Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add sticky notes in Canva. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to canva.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your main Canva dashboard where you can access all your design tools and projects. Now, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see various options listed there, and you want to click on Tools. This section gives you access to a wide range of features and elements you can add to your designs, including the sticky notes feature we're using today. Once you're in the Tools section, look for the sticky notes option and click on it. A list of different colored sticky notes will appear on your screen. These come in various colors to help you organize your ideas visually or match your design aesthetic. Select your preferred color from the list, and Canva will automatically place the sticky note onto your canvas. This instant placement makes it quick and easy to start adding notes without any extra clicks. Next, click inside the sticky note to activate the text field. Once you do this, you can type any text you want. This is perfect for jotting down ideas, creating to-do lists, or adding quick reminders directly within your design. The sticky note works just like a regular text box, so you have full control over what you write. After typing your text, you'll want to customize how it looks. Highlight the text you just entered, and you'll notice formatting options appear at the top of the screen. From here, you can change the font style to match the vibe you're going for. Whether you want something playful, professional, or bold, Canva offers plenty of font choices to suit your needs. Right beside the font style option, you'll see a setting to adjust the font size. Click on this to make your text larger or smaller depending on how prominent you want your note to be. This is especially useful when you're creating designs with multiple sticky notes and need to establish a visual hierarchy. Moving to the right of the font size option, you'll notice an A icon. Click on this to change the text color. You can choose from preset colors or even create a custom shade that perfectly matches your design theme. Changing the text color adds another layer of customization and helps your sticky notes stand out or blend in as needed. Finally, if you want to adjust the size of the sticky note itself, simply click on it to select it, then drag the corners to resize it. This allows you to make the note bigger to fit more text or smaller for a more compact look. Resizing is flexible, so you can experiment until it looks just right on your canvas. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized sticky notes in Canva to enhance your designs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.